Jews from the 15th of the 8th month of 1446. Compositions can be long before the final versions. Revision predated them, but there were concepts of division. Translation preceded the more drastic of the language transitions. Pronunciation is not always possible in the absence of flawed replication. Citizens of the highest orders gradually determined additions and subtractions. Explanations are rejected by the minority that doesn't see it as of what is written. Judaism's oldest compilations are lost to history till after more direct claims of revelation. A nation and tribes have become mostly pseudo-epigraphy and faded from the basis of community into the acceleration. And you may be aware that the first historical mention of Judaism was in the second book of Maccabees. That particular type of Judaism, we could say, started about 200 BCE. And what you could call Judaism probably started about 540 BCE, after the second Israelite temple was rebuilt. And the influence of the Moabites and the people developing authority aside from the messianic and prophetic grouping was more solidly developing. And the spelling rendered into English letters of the text of the entire Tanakh and side books is ARMYA. So I am of the opinion that during the international language phase and more than religious use phase, that the language was Aramaic. There were different dialects, and we can show in different parts of Tanakh there are different dialects going on. And certainly by the time you have a complete Bible in the 11th century, I mean, as far as the Hebrew section of it, which is in a different order than that of the Christian Old Testament, and there are some changes that the Christians made to lean it a little bit towards their way. So, a lot of people will not agree with my opinion of when Judaism originated, but I'm looking at the evidence here. And I'm differentiating Judaism, Christianity, and pretty much every other claim of religion and that of the prophets, messiahs, Emmanuels, seers, whatever you want to call them, that they claim as being their founders.